warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abbas Hussain from grade 3 and my presentation topic is on plants around us. So let's begin. Plants are vital to our world, providing us with food, oxygen and many other necessities. They are essential for the environment and for human survival, playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. From the towering trees to the smallest blade of the grass, plants come in various forms and serve for diverse purposes. The types of the plants around us are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. The importance of the plant are medicine, raw material, environmental balance, etc. Jazakallahu khairan.